Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan TheOrganizer. So a quick video today because I got a package in the mail from YouTube. I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but I want to share the moment with you guys. So I'm going to unbox this. If you guys remember, just about 2 months ago, I surpassed the 100,000 subscribers on my channel. And so YouTube usually sends you a plaque to basically congratulate you on the amazing achievement. And in this case, I'm pretty sure I know what this is, but it's been a long time coming. So 2 years since I started my YouTube channel, and wow, whoa! Guys, this is it. The YouTube silver play button, and this is the brand new version. They started this a couple of months ago. Oh my God. So all this is thanks to you guys. So let me show you the award. So this is, I hope you guys can see this well. Sorry, I'm so excited. Presented to Pan TheOrganizer for passing 100,000 subscribers. So guys, it's true, it's official. Let me give you a close-up maybe of this. This is the brand new YouTube silver play button. Currently we're sitting at over 122,000 subscribers. So my channel is going super fast and very quickly. Man, I never thought this would be possible. All dreams do come true if you believe in yourself, if you put all the work and effort. As you guys probably know, I'm close to 300 videos on my channel already. Every video takes me roughly 10 to 15 hours to produce. I do videos in English and in French, so it's double the energy, but it's a passion of mine. I basically love car detailing, love high-end electronics. I love organizing different things. So workspaces in the home, budgeting, all sorts of things to help improve your lives. Basically, I share my biggest passions with my viewers. And I mean, wow, again, I have viewers from all over the world: USA, Canada, the UK, France, Italy, Belgium, Switzerland, Germany. You guys are amazing. I have viewers from every single continent. That's pretty cool. I can't mention all the countries because I mean, right now I'm overwhelmed. And of course, there are well over 100 countries. Guys, thank you. You're awesome. Without you, this would never be possible. This is just the beginning. I've proven that I think I know how to do videos now, so that's pretty cool. This goes out to you. I wish I could hang one of these in every single one of you guys' homes. Man, I'm so excited. And this comes with a cool letter signed by Susan herself, so the CEO of YouTube. So that's pretty cool. So let me quickly read this out if you want to know what's on there. So you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. And we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan, CEO, YouTube. Susan and everyone over at YouTube, thanks. But first and foremost, once again, guys, you are awesome. My viewers, my audience, I love you guys. And again, I cannot believe we're here. Who would have thought? Just 2 years ago in late April 2016, when I first started my channel, the goal was to help entertain you guys, educate you on my biggest passions, and give you tips and tricks and DIY videos and share all of that cool stuff with you. And here we are today. You're over 122,000 strong as of June 19, 2018. We're on our way to 200,000 subscribers by year's end. And who knows, maybe one day we'll hit the gold play button for 1 million subscribers. So I hope you liked this short video. Again, I want to thank all of you guys for being present. You're super loyal to the Pan TheOrganizer YouTube channel. For all of you for whom it's the first time that you watch one of my videos, make sure that you're part of the Pan TheOrganizer family by hitting the subscribe button that's found under this video. And that way you'll subscribe to my channel too and never miss all my future videos. We've come a long way. I have many more videos and surprises coming up. So stay tuned, and once again, don't forget to keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.